Welcome to this tutorial on Step Through Debugging in PowerShell. Step Through Debugging is a powerful technique that allows you to execute your PowerShell scripts line by line, giving you complete control over the execution flow. This approach is invaluable when you're trying to understand how your code behaves or when you need to track down bugs that are difficult to identify through normal execution. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use Step Through Debugging to write better scripts and troubleshoot issues more effectively. Step Through Debugging gives you 4 key capabilities. First, it provides controlled execution, meaning you can run your script one line at a time instead of letting it execute all at once. Second, you can watch variables in real time and see exactly how their values change as each line executes. Third, you can find issues fast by identifying the exact line where a bug occurs, rather than guessing where the problem might be. Fourth, you can test your logic flow by verifying that conditional branches and loops work correctly. These features make debugging much more efficient than using traditional methods like write host statements throughout your code. To begin debugging, you need to set breakpoints in your script. A breakpoint is a marker that tells PowerShell to pause execution at a specific location. There are 2 main ways to set breakpoints. First, you can use Set-PSBreakpoint with the script parameter to specify your script file path and the line parameter to indicate which line number to pause at. For example, Set-PSBreakpoint-script followed by your script path, -line 5 will pause execution when it reaches line 5. Second, you can set a breakpoint on a variable using Set-PSBreakpoint-variable, specifying the variable name and dash mode right to pause whenever that variable is modified. This is extremely useful when you want to track when and how a specific variable changes. Once you hit a breakpoint and execution pauses, you have 4 essential commands to control how the debugger proceeds. Step into, triggered by pressing S and Enter, executes the current line, and if that line calls a function, the debugger will enter that function so you can debug it line by line. Step over, triggered by pressing V and Enter, executes the current line, but if it calls a function, the entire function runs without stepping through it, which is useful when you trust the function works correctly. Step out, triggered by pressing O and Enter, lets you exit the current function and return to the caller, which is helpful when you've stepped into a function, but realize you don't need to debug it further. Finally, Continue, triggered by pressing C and Enter, resumes normal execution until the next breakpoint is hit or the script completes. One of the most powerful aspects of Step Through Debugging is the ability to inspect variables while execution is paused. You can check a single variable by simply typing its name, like $username, and PowerShell will display its current value. If you want to see all variables currently in scope, you can use the getVariable command, which lists every variable and its value. For more complex objects, you can examine their properties and methods using the pipe symbol followed by getMember. This shows you the structure of the object, what properties it contains, and what methods you can call on it. Being able to inspect variables at any point during execution helps you understand exactly what your script is doing and quickly identify where values aren't what you expected. To debug effectively, follow this practical workflow. Start small by setting breakpoints only at suspicious sections of your code rather than placing them on every single line. This saves time and lets you focus on problem areas. Step strategically by using step over for functions you know work correctly and step into only when you need to investigate what's happening inside a function. Monitor state by watching how variables change as you step through the code. Unexpected changes in variable values are often the key to identifying bugs. By following this workflow, you'll debug more efficiently and solve problems faster than if you try to step through every line of code without a strategy. Here are 3 pro tips to make your debugging even more effective. First, use conditional breakpoints to pause execution only when specific conditions are met. This is incredibly valuable in loops where you might iterate hundreds of times but only want to pause when a certain value appears. Second, check the call stack using getPSCallStack to trace the function execution path. This shows you how you arrived at the current point in execution, which is essential for understanding complex function calls. Third, always remove your breakpoints when you're done debugging by using get-PS-breakpoint pipe remove-PS-breakpoint. Leaving old breakpoints in place can cause confusion the next time you run your script. You now understand how to master step-through debugging in PowerShell. By controlling execution line by line, inspecting variable state at any point, and using strategic stepping commands, you can fix bugs much faster than with traditional debugging methods. The key is to practice these techniques with your own scripts. Start with simple scripts to build confidence, then apply these skills to more complex scenarios. The more you practice step-through debugging, the more natural it will become, and you'll find yourself writing better code because you understand exactly how PowerShell executes each line. Thank you for watching, and happy debugging.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.